said I want it bad, baby. Yeah, she the only prescription that made me act crazy. I put her up on the counter, bed floor on the balcony hours. You know this gig gives side effects and you'll be feeling the power. No hesitation, by the way, she out your back like that. Ain't got no safety, you gon' get round after round like that. Fuck the club, I'm out to shut the city down real fast.
Excuse me. I don't mean to sound weird or anything, but are you a model or an actress?
Oh no, but thank you for the compliment.
Of course, 1 second. I'll never forget a face. I knew it. You're Ariel's Cakes.
I am Ariel's Cakes. Hi.
I'm David.
Ariel, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.